Here we are. I just got the DJI new mic system and I'm testing it out right here. I have it connected to my shirt. Versus the old trusty Rode Wireless Go that I've had for years right here. This is the Rode Wireless Go. This is the DJI. They're both at the same height. They're both connected via their appropriate magnets. So the DJI by far is a more modern version, a much more efficient version of this wireless microphone system. There's so many benefits to the DJI system compared to the Rode Wireless Go. I don't think there's any difference in the quality of the actual microphones and recordings, but there's so many things. The charging case, the connectors are all included, the magnets included, the idea that you don't need any apps. Rode has 3 different apps that you could possibly use to connect the Rode Wireless Go system into your iPhone or into your computer. You don't need any app with the DJI. You can record directly. All the settings are actually within the microphone receiver itself. You tap on the screen, you adjust the volume. You have 2 volume adjustments with the DJI system versus 1 with the Rode Wireless Go system. You have an adjustment from the microphone going into the receiver. It's one adjustment. And you have an adjustment of the receiver going to your device, whether it's a phone or the computer. 2 separate volume adjustments with the DJI system. The Rode only has a dB setting, which is from the receiver to the phone or the receiver to the computer. But I just want to test the 2 out. I'm not going to do extensive testings. There's dozens of videos on YouTube testing the distance. I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to come out here and do a comparison, a side-by-side comparison of the DJI versus the Rode Wireless Go for audio comparisons. And mostly it's just about audio for me. So I like the DJI system, like I said, physically far better than the Rode Wireless Go. The Rode Wireless Go came out 2 or 3 years ago. I got the first version, then I got the Rode Wireless Go 2 when it came out, and it's been a trusty microphone for years. But when DJI came out with their system, it far surpasses the Rode Wireless Go 2 system. You don't need 3 separate cables to plug in 3 separate things. You plug them all into a case. The case has a built-in battery so you can recharge it if you're on the road. You don't have to plug it in. It takes 1 USB-C cable. It requires no app to work. It just plug it into the phone and it works. There's so many benefits to the DJI system physically and connectivity-wise and what's included with the actual kit itself. So what do you think? DJI, Rode Wireless Go. DJI, Rode Wireless Go. I'm just talking about the audio clarity, the audio comparison. I'm using both of their transmitters, built-in microphones for both of them. I know what I prefer as far as just the physicality of it. The DJI wins by a landslide. The Rode Wireless Go has been very good, but it's now outdated. I'm expecting a Rode Wireless Go 3 at any time. We'll see what they put in that package and whether I will switch from the DJI to the new Rode Wireless Go 3 whenever that comes out. They haven't announced it yet. They have not announced it. I'm saying it's coming. It has to be. There's too much competition from the DJI system. All right, my name's Richard Taylor. Thanks for watching.